Well, I don't know what this little guy's up to. Probably looking for food, I suppose. Anyway, let's get on with the video. Hello everybody, welcome back to my garden, my tropical garden here in the UK. Well, today it is such a windy day. It doesn't look like it at the moment, I know, but you keep getting these gusts of wind. But I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you a very, very quick update on my Chinese paper plant. It's a Papyifer or Chinese paper plant. Now this is it after the winter. It looks pretty sad, doesn't it? And this is it in its full glory last summer. And that really looks fantastic, doesn't it? So now it's looking like this, pretty much of a wreck. Now it started to grow leaves like this one. Frost has got them. No, got that one. And that one. That one. That one. I mean, these grow pretty fast. Now I've got high hopes for this new leaf here. Now that one hopefully will come out and be the first good leaf of this year. But it's a shame really, isn't it, the damage that happens to these during the winter. Anyway, that's about it. Just wanted to show you this, and yeah, I'll be showing you an update, and I'll show you an update when it's looking a little bit happier. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget, subscribe to my channel, and I'll give you regular updates on how my tropical garden is going. Bye for now.